Hey, how's it going everyone? This is FixerMed, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to convert images to text. Now, this is a really useful feature if you have a really wordy image and you don't feel like typing it out by hand. No worries. For this method, I'm going to be inputting pictures that are saved locally onto my desktop, and I'm going to be showing you how to copy and paste pictures into this website called Img-to-txt.io. Img-to-txt.io has been really helpful for me when I wanted to make custom Anki cards and custom study guides. But for the sake of this tutorial, you can use this software for any image if you want it converted to text. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I'm going to show you how to convert locally saved images to text. So go ahead and just hit browse. You should open up your Finder, hit where your picture is saved. So I got a screenshot here of USMLE Step 1 question. I uploaded it successfully. I'm gonna go ahead and submit and extract the text from it now. There we go. And I want to compare and see how the screenshot looks compared to the text that I have. So, a 58-year-old man dies from heart failure that was refractory to therapy. At autopsy, his heart weighs 490 grams. Section of his heart are shown. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? There's A, congestive heart failure resulting from repeated infarcts. B, mitral valve prolapse. C, pulmonary stenosis. D, rupture of the papillary muscle. E, septal rupture. For the most part, this seems to have copied in properly. There is an error here for C, some spacing, not a big deal. If I just go in, I can just fix it, and I can just Control C and paste it wherever I want, in Anki or a Word document, etc. So have that saved. Wonderful. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the process over by showing you how to screenshot and just directly copy and paste the image in without saving the image onto your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and go here, choose a more worthy NBME question, take a screenshot of the picture by hitting Command-Shift-4 on the Mac, hitting the bottom right corner, hitting Command-C here. I'm just going to go ahead and trash it and inputting it here. Now, if you're on Windows, you can do the same thing. You just have to open up Snipping Tool. You can find that by searching for the program or downloading it from the Windows App Store. It's free, made by Microsoft, safe. So nothing to worry about there. So I'm going to submit and extract and compare and see how this picture turns out. I am expecting a little bit more errors here just because it's a longer picture. Okay. Let me just have a picture ready to compare. Exam Section 1, National Board of Medical Examiners, Comprehensive Basic Science Exam. Shortly after delivery, a full-term male newborn is found to have black hair with a white forelock. His mother, a brunette, also has a white forelock and wears hearing aids. Physical examination shows heterochromia of iritis, autoacoustic emissions testing, and brainstem auditory evoked responses show bilateral sensorineural hearing loss. Which of the following is the most likely cause of the findings in the patient? As you can see, it's actually copied a little better than the other one, so I'm very impressed with the software. It even copied all the stuff in the end here. So if you're using this for USMLE or MCAT prep or CBSE prep or whatever, it's a very good resource. And there is a pro membership plan for $6 where you can upload like 50 images at once and a larger image size limit. But me personally, I think the free version is good for most people. So I hope this helps you guys out with your image to text needs. And if you guys have any more suggestions for future videos, feel free to let me know in the comments section below. As always, thank you for your attention and time. This is FixerMed signing off. Be sure to have a great day, everyone. All right, goodbye.